honest truth. Me don't want you over here. Me so come. Me don't want you over. No send me nothing. Matter with a black click pan star than him and black him. Me don't want you over here. But before me black him, you get the message. Me go pause them look at me and come at you. You get to my brains now. You really literally get to my blood clot brains. You know why you literally get to my blood clot brains now? You nah stop. Carlos a 2 times ever fucking alive, you know. And that gone 15 years ago. Every chance I get, you come on social media, I throw shades and I look cloud. Me not like it. You need to stop. Grow up. Remember back in a corona time, when me the text up on Instagram, I said, I'm Carlos, you make me know, someone never tell about say you used to fuck me. Remember your shame say you that fuck me, someone don't know where you come here, Sado. Now me could go long on the gravy. Cause my temper kind of hot, it's very early. Now me could go long on the gravy, Carlos. Remember your shame say you used to blood clad fuck me. So now come like say, oh, and yeah, I'm here there. Like we used to hold on something. 2 fuck, 3, 4 o'clock, night nurse. Back up. No, you come through no chase man, Akim and take no set. Yes, so me choose the boy already. You come every minute. And then wedding, and then married, and you throw too much blood clad shades. Me don't choose the boy already. Me show the boy say I'm secure, yes, so. Because him tell me say my pussy safe with the Dan. You get up, you give me an obsessive feeling. You can't want so much blood clad clout. You know what I mean? In a good relation, blood clot, people can fix. Me not do pen pal work. And a boy now say England and say me in a pussy clot dream. I'm sick of you now. Because the first time you come over here, you first a trouble the boy where you throw your shades pan the boy. You. And the boy clap back, you now already, you now pussy clot done. You know see? Me get Akim the button for win the race. Who that? Good old Lord. Them massacre my bestie, wicked my bestie come up. Flavin Candice, man. Wicked Candice. Man, come ball out housekeeping. Wait, let him Candice. I know all of the girls I'm working with a friend, you know. Me know him. Come in, good old. Candice. You watch out. You wicked bumbo, yo.
What did I do?
Candice appeared tambourine. You go sleep last night. Talk back out there for me, go gallop. Talk back out there for me, gallop.
Which one? This?
No, the coke. You smell good though. No. It's not gonna work out, Candice. That at like 10 for your side. Eat early. Should they eat all they want drink buffet. Like drunk too early, you know, but me have look at anything of this. You call us, me I come about you. Me soon go back on the girl them. Tap, follow me up. Pull it, Candice. You come. You're there, your arm. You say you're genuinely care and stuff. Alright. You say you're genuinely care. A long time I on TikTok, you know. A long time I do social media. You say you genuinely care about somebody. Why you stretch the argument gonna where you? You can't don't know you're not gonna plan for rest. I want to show you so I choose the boy because I call us the boy hold me hand and walk with me. The boy kiss me in a big stage show. What you not do? That's why I give him reassurance. So don't worry about me and him. I don't worry about my own if I get fuck. Him care about me, so me I care about him. And now I don't want to tell me, say, me delusional 50 times. Me go delusional more and again and over and over and over and over. But don't get, Carlos, me, Rosalie, don't get, I came the button for in the race. You're not in no competition. Go sit on one side. Yeah, walk a put review. Eh? Now, me have to tell you if you go reblood clad view. Who that? Okay. Chat me tomorrow the video. Chat remember tomorrow. Elephant Man video I drop with me and Akim and she never get fucked like this before. You can't laugh now, Candice. Candice, your blood cut him say yes, come all no. Say yes, come all no. Say yes, come all no. Me never did that.
spell.
You just do two little telestatins. You start to drag the story. Every day come over a shade stroke cloud. Just you know saying. Apart from how me and him never did there. I want him to me what throw me up, just piss me off. Make me I do one series. Carlos, me not doing a series. Carlos, me not doing a series with nobody. It have to be the series boss. And if me and him for stop the series, me not do none with nobody. Cause me now make Uno come ride the local cloud where me and him create. It's me and him create it. One too many can create. No, this me and him create it. So me now gonna make you ride it and inherit half of it. But the two we use one of the one here, Mr. and Mrs. User. Him a use me and me a use him too. And that make it delusional and nice. I couldn't make you come and ride off the blood clot boy clot. Where you gonna call me? You never did that. You take two little bad fuck out of the good wall. Relax no man. I tell me no do pen pal work. You're too enough. I mean I gotta tell you honestly, they're enough and table enough. Tell us why and the boy now want beef. If you crowd over your live, if you in a bag of chattings. We never did that. We never did that. Day. Day. We never did that. So we are push up now for. Remember all along when they move to England, they never that use me. True, you see me on social media, you see the numbers might high. And everybody some 8 ROSEALEE and some still a rep. Me never did that. Me stand blood clot delusional. Me don't want a girl tell me blood clot nothing. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing. You come here review pan wedding. You come here review pan over fucking a hole. You come here to pure blood clot review. You're like, you sick my stomach now. What do you come? People in my inbox are asking me if I could have fuck ROSEALEE with the blood clot do my Carlos make you couldn't blood clot fuck me. Then you better than for fuck me. You're not gonna have blood clot things. After them, if I come dab up in the Carlos. Cause you know my mouth stay bad. What you mean by gonna ask me if you could have fucked me? Now what do blood clot me? 3 grand on my blood clot face? Me say bad steak, bad girl, me have them good husband. They're too fucking bright. All them something they repeat like it's a sorry for fuck you want you say you give me. Carlos I mean I use it, you know? And me have clout no you. Yes so. Fan it start from start social. From it start, from start social media, me been have clout more than you. I'm not even invite and even want to look up inside the top pint. Go one side. Yeah, come but you know what bun me chat? What bun me out of the bunnings? People coming on my inbox to me say, if me really fuck ROSEALEE, you never fuck me and blood clot come. You did last year cocky. Me pussy did rotten it off. You never did get it back. So you could have used it and get you too tight. What y'all say? I think you're being rude. Enough. I think you're being rude enough. You lost a cocky in there, so? Me the rotten it off. What you mean by? Me never stink up your bed. What you mean by? You gotta ask why you could have fucked me. Then what? You got things over me, Carlos? Carlos, I'm gonna tell you this. Are we woman are the things them? Remember, I have something I got step from. Remember, my mama teach me this long enough and never come out of my ears. I have something I got step up and go to blue balls. Me not have nothing where hurt me. It's when me feel honey, you can go drink some water and go lie down. Uno probably go back on a fist or go buy a broke. Don't ramp with me. Avoid me. Because I don't want a friend for you. I don't want you sorry for me. Because uno come in, them say wolf coming on many different farms. You not get no clout here, so. Back up. One series boss run blood clot. Yeah, me give the boy clarity and confirmation. Oh boy. Somebody know where you go. And that bun you. Me might bun you. I said, no boy. None. Hush. Hush. And yes. Good all. Anyway. I'll go back to the dirty people. No, you can't get the clothes, sir. Or colors come and get. I probably want to put in again this. They're international. I don't know about people. No boy, my dog, none. Nobody come no for yourself. But don't, Akim don't get the back now in the race. You're not in a league. Remember the boy carry me out, wash my foot. Carry me out, wash my foot. Kiss me in a public, hold my hand. So things we never did used to do, Carlos. So you want in a competition? Come here. Come in, I go do this land. But the boy carry me out, date me. So long I'm still close enough in a public, a people. Something we never did I go do. Remember you the shame of me, so we are run come do now. I watch my boss now. Eh? Chill out. I watch my boss now like BJ blood clad kite. I watch me have blood clot name now. Make you enough up. Because back then you never look, you never, you're surprised, me Carlos. You never did want me. You finally want me now because I'm a superstar. But have a bad boy. Move. Chat. The video I make last night about Donia, it was a comparison to what Donia said. It was a comparison for me. Can they take the video out of proportion and say she feel away? Can they apologize to you? Come I really want to wake up. I don't really want you to come live today. I want to drag the story. Because you know, me hate when ranker I look clout. Me hate when rankers look clout. Me never try disrespecting and know where me a good and me a cool. And me don't know what you think the video is about. Me not disrespect a girl. Whether or not me never drive in a car with you or not, me not disrespect a girl. Me never have a beef before on the internet. When you and Donna did a raid, me never up my mouth, you know. But me realize if I'm me and two, me and Akim and raid, no not give you a chance. You not give you no chance. But if I say something to offend you, if I say something to offend you, I apologize. Come on now, disrespect your girl. Me only show the people them want comparison. It's a comparison. Because me mind not don't say Akim scan me and he no want me. You and him you know what they and him they was together. When me sit on the FYP when you there me alone I eat egg sandwich and I think you bite it and give and him not take it from you. So I am me I clarify say if you ever say Akim scan me don't remember you scan Candy. Me never try to bring it on girl. Me don't have any beef. So you come last and do all of this Candy. It don't make no sense. Me not disrespect your girl. If don't you go put him out in a people argument, them go always automatically call your name. You can't run from that. Me not disrespect me. I show a comparison of what me say because I remember saying the two of the FYP. Eating with man. So me I said to Donna say like how you say Akim don't want me. You don't want Candy neither. And she did really like you. It's not that I never did come live and even did chat. She really did like you. Some members say man use all woman. Do all out some woman man use we. At that point, I may have been crossed the board. Sorry if I feel disrespected. Come on now, this your girl. But one not listen for Anderson, una listen for jump for ride clout. When I this for? Me ain't no problem. Can they come here? You ever see me on social media yet? In see no shenanigans and bite out. Me's a home alone. Me no do like senseless them. Where's a FYP papi show? Me no go on FYP and see something watching around pan it for clout. Me create something different from anybody. Me's a unique gem. Me a Gemini. Me have 382 personality. I can be a bitch. I can be a whore. I can be a slut. I can be a wife. I can be sad now. I can be happy. When you Mrs. Unpredictable, me not look after FYP for something for one hour and come chat about it unless you not fast with me. You're supposed to know that Candy you're there long enough. Me never hear nobody in an argument I picked up on my head. Me not lang it all out in the name till it long out. Me don't even so know. And you know what disappoint me in everything? What disappoint me in everything, you know? The whole of me and you cool and me and Donna cool. And the whole of them look close to the story. Because if something with me and Akeem, uno pinch one look a P side, or pinch half P side, I pinch it. And what me not like is uno don't give people chance on the FYP. Can they get your time? Don't they get your time? You know a long time I know don't like me. Don't remember the days I mean, when you and busted and binds them and all of them is you busted and binds and why can it sit down and class with daily part life, you know. ROSEALEE too big and too crave when I put a suitcase on the blood clot and do the things, you know. You know because I can't walk and other people. I not add nobody. I not add nobody, come never bring her down. It's a comparison with me see. And if you gonna label out something with me, I gonna label back out something with you with me say. Me wouldn't scan Candy. Me wouldn't scan Candy, you know. She's a nice person. Me wouldn't scan Candy. Me wouldn't scan her. But when him there the yard with her, to invite it, you see the video on the FYP. You see it. Say me come out and I compare somebody. Why it look like a this? Me not this yo. Oh, I style me the video she not style don't ya. Me not style don't me I show him up. If you sit down and listen to the message, you get it. You get it. If you sit down and actually listen to the message, can you get it? Oh, if I was gonna hear something cloud. Me not give you them. No, me not doing it. Me not disrespect you because you never disrespect me, but you have to understand where I'm coming from for can see where me I go. You have to understand where me I come from for this where me I go. Me not styling in no way. Me I compare what I seen on the FYP when they did there in my yard to when me and Akeem do what they down there so. You understand what I say? And if you feel offended, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry. I can't do nothing. I'm sorry. So when they come by me, just shut up. Because anytime them come by me, I notice, you know, over here, you know, so when them come by me, they can say all and what they want to say. As long as me open my mouth, and me get the end of the shit in the blood clot stick. Dan, come here. Dan, me a jump off one time. Dan, me a you jump off one time, Dan. We talk back and we cut ties. Dan is a big man on social media. Me not jump off one time, but I grow up like her as a big man and highly respect. I don't know her feelings against me because I don't walk on other people. Dan, stop, come out here, come do this. Don't ask me where is the rest of Peter Gay's story. Go and ask your wicked liar friends. Don't mix me up. Stop. When me forget the rest of Peter Gay's story from when and your friend them did sell me the story. What make you so evil? And Dan, do not let your friends don't make your friend them make you have no accountability on the app. Dan, don't let liar make you don't have no accountability on the app. You're a big woman. Use yourself. No come ask me what Peter Gay story like me creator. I lie, I create Peter Gay. I want me find out my shame. My shame. I want to talk about something. I can't talk about it for whole it in me. And somebody me I tell coming out. Sometimes when I talk about TikTok, I hold me come my shame. Come here, say. When me look, me see them a draw out the story, me mind that Peter Gay girl, you know. That Peter Gay girl, because them not arrest me, because them not say nothing, you know. Because some man tell me, say me not to argue on social media, me say me a wall, but me not argue, me a explain it. Peter Gay story. When I find it out, me I say blood clot. You know how I find out, you know how I find out say Peter Gay no real. Since me I came out of the series, I lie about the lie upon me. I mean I said to myself, say then ROSEALEE, since recently, me I find out say Peter Gay no real. When liar tell a lie on me. I say blood clot. All along, I believe that Peter Gay was real. All along, nobody couldn't tell me nothing. Nobody couldn't tell me nothing. I went, me not call share name for the arm. I went share them the pan. She not real. Me say I could have take my neck off of the black in front of her so she can't tell me nothing. Me believe she will. Me not Dan. Come here in the Dan. Dan, you're a big woman in the Dan. If you stop it, you have if you stop it, Dan, you're a big woman. Stop it. Your friend them are big people. When you talk truth and when your friend them wrong, Oh, me for create Peter Gay, one of them call me pan video call and show me cut in her belly and stab round her so. Anal people say Jabas for carrying her body hole. And her mouth all part her. It's them call me for one video call one night. So when I went share them and the world, I went share them over here, I said Peter Gay no real. Cute boss, I said Peter Gay no blood clad real. Sunshine, I said cute Peter Gay no real. Roger over here, I said Peter Gay no real. Me can't follow them because what them come up on video call and show me a person with a cut in her belly and I show one picture so she get fucking her body and all about. Turn down that good as. Them show me concrete evidence that Peter Gay real. Them show me a person and show me scars. Then that remember Dan you see it, you know Dan. Dan remember say you lie, I got a friend say, you know. So where you come poach you, when the rest of Peter Gay story, go and ask liar. It's them creator, not me. Them and Skyline them the creator. You know when me know say I lie? When liar literal tell a lie upon me. I say blood clot. My job back in my thinking chair, I say no. Then if liar literally tell a lie upon me, that means the Peter Gay story is not real. I go back in my swaddling clothes and shame. When Angela come back for me, I say, Angela, you know, say, Peter Gay story in a blood clot real. Because liar tell a blunt lie upon me. And if you tell a blunt lie upon me, that means you're liar. So for my obvious liar, that you don't have the accountability wall with that. More come apologize to Jabas and can't apologize because I'm shame. We let him unblock him and chat to him. Me want to come apologize to Jabas because I say, Jabas, I'm shame. Because I never know such a liar them wicked and evil and lie die, man. I mean wicked. No accountability. None. So if you want to go with them, you go on. Because you can't ask me what the rest of Peter Gay story. You've got to ask a liar, your friend. One time, I call Macy. I said, Macy, no man, that story I get out of hand. Peter Gay read for you. I mean to say, yes, ROSEALEE, she real. You know, see the girl with her scar, so I stand by her so 110%. But I think them brainwash Macy too. But I think them brainwash Macy too. So when Peter Gay come out one day with Jakes and the bag of Ray and Tay and Blay. I want to go ask you, say that I'm not create Peter Gay. Remember when me a class girl Dan, when me a class a girl or a boy Dan, me have to walk on. Dan, come here. Why not do these things to me? Remember say how your friend them alone class people and go along in a detail. Me not do that. I beg me come for beg. Dan, your friend them alone. Me watch there and listen. Your friend them alone class people and go for them mama, them sister, them auntie, them nephew, them house, them rat, them cat, them business document, them file, them degree, them the masters. That your friend them alone do that. Me go that class jobbers and me and jobbers do 2 for 1 and band for band pan this blood clot yeah. I'ma leave him alone. Because it's not so serious. And your friend them alone walk and search it. Surf it together like how them walk and search it for me for bring me down. That's why them draw for eat that Jakes. For Jakes show them my dirty jars where I used to wash and the jar me know I lie them 2 times. For bring me down. You know, we know this, Dan. Stop move like a stupid. You're a big woman. Me hate when big woman nasty eye to eye. Don't make me smarter than you. Your friend them are wicked. Them now, we can't rely upon them for shit. I pay liar story them make up. And shame after when them story not go nowhere. Because what? Them just want up on the internet for chat people. Cause them the work. Don't follow them trap. Don't ask me about Peter Gay Danny, a liar creator. No credibility, no nothing. Me want class jobbers. Me not can look on jobbers and tell jobbers him fault. Dan, we know this. If me a come class somebody on social media, me don't even dig up in them pass. If you not chattings with them. Me can look by and make you know say something is wrong with you. And your friend them alone class people and go along in a detail. You know this, Dan. Don't ask me about Peter Gay. Ask liar. Me can't create and I don't know if I'm no way. God broke me, they can't kill me, them call me about the woman. And I went liar till I lie upon me realize that Peter Gay is not blood clot real. I'm a shan't talk it. Me I warn me mouth. I say me I wait till January. Me tell Angela, you don't want to come up about Peter Gay because Peter Gay not real. I'm ashamed. But me can't, me shame and I said, George, I'm ashamed. Because look how me still don't follow them and tell lie upon people. We don't go so. But I couldn't know, you know. I couldn't know, because based on half of the evidence where them give me, and what them I say Peter Gay real. She not real, Dan. You can't ask me that, boo. If I ask Liar and Sky Diamond, I create them. And then I walk a scrub scandal and rumor about people. I don't come about that. I work me come in. Anyway. I'm not dwell upon the Peter Gay story because what? Me no creator, I add me pan call with her. I add me pan call with her. Me no creator. I'd never created her. You want to know about like, Peter Gay? She go ask Sky Diamond. Stick up a friend them. And if a friend them, and Dan, see a big woman with me respect. When I see you talk clarity and facts most of the time, if you have a par with 2 liars, I'm not going to listen to when you talk. That's a run with your liar friend them. Don't make you fall with them. Because sometimes Dan come out and say few words, me see the facts and the right she attack as a bigger woman for me. Don't let lion fall with lions, Sky Diamond. Them don't make them trap because them the ones trap me. Alright, hold on. The other day we done this, so I notice, you know. Everything on social media, on a run with. Everything on social media on a run with. And from the other day, I saw no. One of them I saw no now worry about me and my man. Every time I touch the FYP, boy no want me, boy I use me this and that and that and that and that and that. Me delusional to my teeth, my eye and my ears. He might use me. So he might use me and me I use him. So the two name Mr. and Mrs. User, aka Mr. Delise. What wrong with you know? You know, so a man will care about a person bigger than any fuck. You know, so the first time I meet Akim, he wash my foot and try to have a put back in him car. Me don't know what Uno has seen, but me know what me don't know what Uno has seen, but me know what me feel and get. Me not go work with Uno and tell me about my man. I want to story me about the body. You know, so the first time I meet Akim, I wash out my 2 foot them. Me don't know if I'm making a paint, you know. He wash out my 2 foot them and try them and put back in him car. Delusional, oh. Oh, me delusional. If a person care about me and me want to care about them, I only delusional. It's only delusional. It's only delusional enough. It's only delusional enough. Of course, him blood clot care. Him care. Where me by? Him care about me and me care about him. Because what? It's all in party. I want to come say this, you know, God. But why? It's all in party. Why? Me gonna give you flowers. You have to get it, boo. You see all in party. I think that he wanted the best interest of art when he keep him birthday party because the next day me I got a court. So when me enough of a got a party about and the next day me have court me have pick the court earring. Me can't go down my alcohol level under 2.0. Me couldn't go in party. So whether I want create tantrum and create havoc, me I talk to real people who have sense. Not about some real people, not about some little orange trollers. You can't go in the courthouse with a liquor level over a certain amount. I want picnic court. And if you're not looking fit to stand up in a hearing, you can't get back again. I couldn't go to him prevent me from going to the people in court looking like a junkie. A long after, I come to myself and I realize, before that them call me, stop company internet come argue, remember you have Code Friday, stop. Remember said them I use whatever pay you over here, stop. Like have a comment, because we now hear about the girl we are top woman. The girl not chat to me, the girl have to listen. I'm gonna be honest, chat. And me jump out a conclusion. But him did right. I'm going to give him flowers. You can't have a picnic earring and going at the people in place looking like a junkie. Smell your blood alcohol. You stink. We look at me, the guy make it a night and drink and junk. Me have caught 11 o'clock in the morning. I don't know when me get because when you're highly intoxicated and drunk, you have to at least take hours to sleep it off so it can wear out of you. Me da go back in and me da go to the people in courthouse looking like a junkie. And then it'll be my mistake because sometimes when me and Akim I will jump off 95% of the time to make it 100. Him tell me certain things where through my stubborn me like do my own way. And then when me do my own thing, I always have to fix things. So I said, I don't want to tell a girl to do this, you want to do what she feel like, and then I have to fix it. Leave the blood clot boy, man, and left him and move. Everything on the trouble, left him. Blood clot, left him. And that's the truth. Come and look into it one night, and I said, blood cleaners are the boy that saved me. Because if me really go make her go drink and drunk and go caught the next day, me don't think say me don't get by the pity them for come out here because me that over drink. And if you go going to one courthouse and have kids, your blood alcohol level can be more than 2.0. So if me left party with makeup and eyelash and the bag of excitement and this and that, I look like me just come from my dance last night. The judge would have said, Miss, you're coming from a party. Go back outside. What you to Caesar you have to give to blood clot Caesar, my dear. Can this my baby? What you to Caesar you have to give to Caesar. And it's just the fucking truth. Yeah. Because because if me got a party and wake up and over, me not get by the penny them. And him know me have court. So sometimes people are saying you nasty, you know. And sometimes I grab my feelings and I listen, you know. Me when me realize sometimes it's too late. It always reach because I always grab my feelings first, then listen after. So no left me and my man, no please. Me don't want to get dictate to me. I'm delusional. Yeah. Make me delusional. Me I run for the marathon, a delusionalist. Me I run it down. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing. Me don't want to come in my inbox but my man. Me don't want to take. Me don't want to tell me nothing. Me don't ask no girl no opinion. I told you can't burn your life a fast it and bomb. I tell you that already. Don't it?
Beat me like me war with the girl tickers.
Where war with the girl for?
Me little man. It's like them want war with the.
But where you have a war with the girl for?
One girl. And you did dominate the girl until you drop.
I keep my being dropping. Then I drop one time.
Bro, about 10 seconds, you know fight final.
Chop. You don't need for do shit more than party.
Me not live apart, me a party. Me not, and the whole, me not even not say nothing, bro. You see it? See some man attack. Sometimes say, you see some enough of them when talk like them tough. Some more kids, some of them body board up on me and my nozzle and take them picture, you see. Run up in a them mother. Like a joke. Where you say that?
Come. At 12 o'clock at lunchtime.
So you not gonna get something to eat?
No, me not. Me don't want the fries.
So where you gonna eat?
12 o'clock my weapon.
Oh.
Me still come down
to you. Them thing they alone still, you know?
What?
They're right.
No, them have some up to
Remember say the plate don't go so what me when them island sitting on the line, you know, down the side, you know.
Them have
island food.
You never go down there yesterday?
No.
Oh, when I eat that, them the food that later night food, you can't do better.
Yeah, you best stay apart though, every right through. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I'm gonna trouble Candice. Candice, my son come here up the mission. One boo, you don't leave my man alone. You don't leave my man alone. What do you foot at me, come rub it. Left him. So I don't care what I want blood clots. Take off my drop on my foot. Candice. Yes, so I'm a rub my foot. Come in at the body for rub it. Leave me and the boy alone and not take no said pan my man. Cause all I want to say I make a delusional and favor delu blood clot Lou. Cause remember say no. All the world I want a blood clot chat say. Me no know boy from a can of blood clot paint. And if my pity them get take where you find my yard and my gear, you risk your life to find my blood clot. Yeah, you have to blood clot care. Maybe you risk your life to find my yard, you know. Some people look on the opposite of everything. I see on a wider view. You risk your life to come on my yard. I remember me and a friend because you block me. I'm come over here, come through and I need the bus so you block me. Come in I put never take somebody too. Me to come over here, come through and I need the bus. Cause that me literally do. At the time. And him block me. And the day when him hear the story, him call me, I say, if you didn't gone for true, I'm say, yeah. Him say, me the gate. Me never send call him. Where him come from? No me ask gonna count enough. Me never send call him. Me just see him appear. So if you and a man you know they on good terms and them block you off of them phone. When you block people off of them when you block people off your phone, that mean and people done, you know. And a man I go block you off of him phone. That mean you and him done. And when you and him done, you admit down at the hospital, you find yourself done. You see him come down at the hospital, come visit, you never send call him. You care. So if I keep carrying the last part and I'm toe, me I carrying my big toe. I don't want a girl dictate that to me. Me say if Akim Cherry, I'm looking to for me, Rosalie. Them say, if Akim care for me, I'm looking to me care for me, I'm my big toe. Nothing in one with a person care, two person caring for each other. Him just ask if me eat. Him just ask me if me eat. And the same thing he asked me yesterday. You eat me, so don't ask me no question. One go take away to get care though. If him care, him care. So I'm for delusional about. I'm not delusional. Anyway, we not discuss that cat. Whether or not, all if you catch me and the boy have fuck. All them still will come tell me say the boy no want me. I mean, not bother with that. Me feel and know me no. Me not explain to no girl. And for the word them over here about no liar, there's need that family court. Not too enough. Me have me liar. Where me mind a liar and I need a family court. And I'm gonna go talk. I got a lawyer. And I me on the ocean. I go call her. I go call her. I told Jake, so them father, and I say, me just make things slide. Because Jake supposed to get a gag order. You can't tell nobody pin them. Gag order. Gag order. It's called a gag order. I'm supposed to get that. Allow him. Someone don't know what the fuck someone are talking about. Oh, she don't have a lawyer, don't need a lawyer, blah, 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 blah. You know what I put us because of the talk? If you just want to talk, me talk. You know something I mentioned about my opinion them? I was warned by the court and I was double warned by my lawyer. You don't want to know too much things about blood clot, girl, and them business. I'm tell you no, I'm me selling the story. You don't want to listen to a liar friend? Caan. Story about me and me selling it. You don't want to know something about me ask me. Yeah. You know see me, my man, me and my man down in the lobby. I play with Akim. And I give me something to eat. I wrap me around with him. And then say, you stay. All along. When me and the life, you know, want do these things where you want to do it. Yes, so. I will bust out in a laugh. See, Candy stay? She don't leave my side. I pay a joke. Candice. A pitch to white man. Gallop! The road me lip. Dear. Me and Candice are room from the other day. Coming nice in a real life. I ramp me and him down there ramp. And I say blood clad. You never want give me for eat. You never want. So the son out there, girl. So I thought they know. You never want bird feed me upon my life, but you want to come yes, I mean there laugh it off. And then I insist I fuck me there, fuck around him. Can't play me and automatically play, because Akim like play. Akim like play. So I wrap me there around with him, so I don't know what I want to come talk about. And the man no want ogre. What is wrong with you now? And the man no want ogre up and him like play. I wrap me there around with him. I wrap me there around. It's a play. So whether or not if him take it or not, me would feel no way. I wrap me and him the literal there around. You know see the wood forward there sit down and laugh. Warm to the rest of screen a card with it there. Who up on the live knows a ramp with it there ramp. But you enough. That's why I can't like something like that's why I want to come over here for when I begging time. You know, I'm not coming like come over here come explain nothing to you. I get me, it trigger me. Who up on the live, so long I watch the live say ramp me and the boy a ramp. I play. She fool, let's see. She try bird feed and I don't want to take it. Something wrong with a girl. I ramp me and them there ramp. I play me and them there play. I say watch a style. Come now. I ramp me there ramp. Me have playful ways in me. And every day is like this. Ask Candice. Me have a lot of playful ways in me. Me like play and excitement and laugh. Just for the fun and joke of it. What you think say me and Diamonds have a band? What you think me and Figure It Out have a band? What you think me and Toto over the years have a blood clot band? Me play. Me like play. Me's a playful person. Life not me not and everything in life me take detrimental. Me play too. I ramp me and did I ramp. Whenever so when them cool tea and feed me, you know look see all type of something. I wanna read for man, no one man. Alright, if you don't want me, me not the problem. I tell already me you want him. I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna tell him this already, I'm gonna come over here and talk about general blood clot statement. Tap right the boy name. Cause me will forever be in him corner and him will forever be in our minds. Cause that's what the thing set. We don't care mash up this. Because when me vex with when him vex with when me vex with him come chat to me. And when him vex with me go chat to him. Yeah, cause we are big people. We know all grow child 40, 50, 68, 38 minutes. We will cuss our eye, we calm down no want. You can call Akim at any time and get him phone. Never call him for days and not get him phone weeks and months. Call him anytime. When me vex with him, come friend me up back. A whole part time me vex with him and him come friend me up back. So if him vex with me, I go friend him, automatically friend him up back. Leave me alone. We never want a Tory. We not worry about. I two things you can't burn a life. You know what? Candice! But the 12 o'clock girl up. I'm gonna get the blood clot food. From 12 o'clock, friend. Upon 12 to get the food. No, for sure. Like, I want some tea. Oh! Candice, I want them cook good soup today. Hey, Candy? Last night. I never the curry good. The bad last night, you know. I had it. How me used to the stew peas? I want stew peas today. And fish fillet. You know, I'm gonna try stew blood clot. Shit! That tastes good? Better wait till 12 o'clock. I keep the wall going on the burger plate. I can't take the burger. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take me enough. Me say me gonna take me enough say one night and take the burger, bite it. I'm gonna take one piece of the cheesecake and carry it up here. Candies. And there was my son was say me and them piece of cheesecake. Tile it. Tile it. Every piece of blood clot. After my day, me and shit more than that. It reach her too? Yeah? And when like, boy, you can't yam, I just walk like a plate. You're nice. You're nice. When the day you can't yam, I just walk like a blood clot plate. You're nice for true. No, not 12 o'clock. Me up on 10:50. By the time I walk around the road at 10 minutes, because I know that journey is so long. Yeah, for true, I go eat my dinner. And Candies. When we go there for last night, Candies, and the two thinking girl them. Me know you don't. So we are going to play a pool, you know. Candies take out the card pack out this stuff for me. We are sat down at shizzle. Sat down at shizzle. In the black bag. Yeah, Mr. Candice one play a story last night. You get them call me Big Back. And I walk and tease me. I made them a peer Tory. What kind of a peer Tory? Toras. And the people them panicking and say the girl, I'm in a trouble. It's blood clot girl, you know. And all my foot at me.
Girl, them didn't say it dance, girl, them didn't say them must see a plan, them a wait for you.
Yeah, them say them a wait for me to beat me last night. A security have escort me. Hey, this stinking security man no. Or reach down there so. After I want to throw me for the compound, you know. I'm not trouble girl, you know. I get a trouble me and I defend myself, they want to throw me for the compound. You look at that nasty man, no. When them reach downstairs, someone say, nah, follow me go upstairs. No. I say, hey, look here, no. Oi, sir. You're not going to turn the light on me. You're going to follow me to my room door. So the girl I'm attack me, I can't sit there for blood clot. No. Him come up here with me. Mr. Pay like them tell pan people, you know.
Same time when they called me last night.
Look after me. Look a bit after candies. I never have my phone. My phone did that charge. That's a bit nice, you know. After the yeah. Come many guys have fight my job before I grow many guys job.
Friend, the movie I come from.
Happy your phone a blue.
I swear. I was say, you don't send me the flight. I'm just so fuck with that boy.
You never did that, eh?
Yes, I'm jump asleep. That's why I'm calling you.
Nobody don't know candies is like a reflex. Nobody don't know.
Cause the dancer girl, them say them they behind you.
Them a walk, come up and me say walk, and them say them a go. So me a come back down, when me a come down, where it go? I think when me a going at the place, they were coming up back, and me say to them say, come out, them say them not go back in the kind of cold, cause them going to go eat, come not get for other nothing, you know. So it look like say when them a go in and come back, can this mean a blood clot, you know? You only know the guy say big back. I'm just bit here.
Bright, she bright.
I see her while ago in the same clothes. It's the same, I mess up, Sasha stay there. She don't even bed. I like that them the clothes in her fight in the last and she and her blood clot friend did it. And if her friend touch me, I lie me, I tell upon the poor woman. I mean her alone tumble down. You know, I'm afraid of you, I'm afraid of you, I'm afraid of you. I say, girl, I know you're afraid of me. Fight me, if I take my back. Win, lose, I draw, like. Leave me alone.
Elias said just turn him back. Elias said just turn him back.
Turn him back. And then, you know, and mama, when she come up there, she said, none to me. I said, let me mess it to you. Mama, I mess it to you, Ellie.
Elias said, him get the key and I said, no.
Not at all. And the next man I tell the security, say, what you mean by she decide verbally. It's verbally and physical abuse. So you have a policy. The man say you have a policy. You have a policy for physical abuse, but you don't have none for verbal. This is out of what you were saying. Eh? If you know have a foreign she there, she can't get no wrong. Because you have verbal abuse her. And so comes the man left way. Because the man insists. The dirty security insists. For sure me have a compound. I'm in a trouble people, you know. I make a nuisance. I have 7 more minutes. I come have level 10. I eat my food. Because I go good fat and the food don't left me. Eat all I want buffet. When I walk my phone to dead. Eat all I want buffet. Breakfast, lunch and season. I'm gonna walk my personal candies.
Yeah, lift it again. You go on lift it.
I walk a little personal blood clot bout from the other day. I come first go on this. I should I can go on that. What do you think we can eat the candies? Rice and I drink some soup. I just see the worrying girl a while ago. Come on TikTok and talk about. I don't know what she in a back talk about because I never want to look on blood clot she. Because win, lose, or draw, I don't have a blood clot care, but not take no set for me. I don't like fast with people. I prefer me to make me. Candies, you know, so me let me know when people make fun of me more than when them genuine. To say me a mascot. That's why when some of them call to me, I blood clot answer them. Because I don't look likes.